Sophie, you are going to try Sculpt,
Yep.
the gua sha, and do the everything oil today for the first time. You always start any gua sha practice with some face oil all over your face. Make sure you get your neck.
I mean, this is pretty.
I know, your skin looks
Gorgeous.
incredible. You're going to start on the back of your neck.
Okay.
Excellent. You want the stone to be as much against your skin as possible, so you're like almost scooping, and especially right here behind, if you can really work that area, that's what gets us so tense. To the side, 10 strokes. I really love like this part right here, right up the middle. You really use the curvature of the gua sha and see, yeah, exactly. And I like to get it up to the, and then I draw it along to my lymph node. So anytime you feel any kind of tension, like a little bit like a gummy bear almost, just slowly take your time and massage it out. Now we're going to move to your face. So you're gonna use your finger here and you're going to move it this side, while at the same time bringing it up nice and slow. Beautiful. Yep.
It feels so good. Yeah, I can feel the knots just releasing from my jaw.
I love doing my sinuses.
Okay.
And you're gonna pull on the opposite direction. Even smaller strokes, like 1,
Oh, wow.
2, 3, yep. Now we're going to go to the eye area. So again, you're always going to anchor, and you're just going to very slowly bring the gua sha gently up over, yep, the eye area. Oh, beautiful. Perfect.
Yes. This
Yes.
is insane.
It feels so good.
Feels so
It's the
good.
ultimate self-care. We're going to move to the brow bone and really get that lift. Hand, with your other hand, you're just going to pull down at the same time as pulling up. So wherever you're pulling away, you're cantilevering it. Well, this is the crazy part. So we've only been doing this for 5 minutes, and just stop for a moment and stand right in the center. Now, I know. So turn your face slightly to the side. See how your cheek and your jawline is all lifted. Now turn your face slightly to the other side. See how it just, yes, I know. It just like not only does such incredible things for the way that you're feeling, but you visibly see a difference. Look at your eyebrow, how it's lifted.
I'm like snatched on this side.
Yes. It's amazing. Your circulation's pumping. You're gonna feel really good tonight.
Yay.
Thank you, Sophie.